I'm here to reveal to you 7 products that you can sell this holiday season and make yourself up to 7 figures doing so. The holiday season is here, and if you don't have at least one product that you are selling this season, then you're very wrong. But oh well, I'm here to reveal to you 7 products that you can sell this holiday season and make yourself up to 7 figures doing so. Alright, so without much talking, let's get to it. So the first product that I have here is called Benny Light. Alright, so let's take a look at the product itself and how it looks. This is definitely a product that will help a lot of travelers this season, and not just travelers, those persons who are even within their environment. This is a product that's going to help them in terms of a lot of things that they can use this product for. So yeah, this is a product that you should look into and see how you can start selling it. So the second product that we are going to look at is the Jet Fighter Stunt Airplane. Now this is a toy, right? It's a toy, something that you can easily give to a child, right? So let's look at it and see how it looks, by the way. So this is a product that you can give to child that is 9, 10, 12. They will appreciate a gift like this. All right, so this is something you also should look into. All right, so let's move on and check the other product that I have here. The third product here is the travel makeup bag. So a lot of ladies are going to be traveling, moving from their location to wherever it is they want to travel to, and a product like this is something that they want to have. Okay, they probably have a big box, a wardrobe, a cabinet for their makeup products, but something compatible that can fit in a lot of their accessories, of their makeups, is something that they would love. All right, so if you can get this, this is a product that you can look into as well. All right, so let's move on to the next product. This is the fourth product now. All right, this is a candlelight. So this is a decor, okay, something that looks really good and makes your house to look good. This is a product that you can use to decorate your house. It's the Christmas season, right? So having things like this in your house is going to beautify your environment and make your house stand out, all right, from your neighbor's house. Okay, let's just take a look and see how they look. Right, pretty, all right, so that's that. Okay, so that's a product that you can also look into. Okay, so let's move on and look at the next product that we have right here. Okay, so this one is also a decor, something to also decorate your home, just to wow your visitors if you have visitors. Okay, so this is something that is going to wow them, and this is a product that people who love luxury, all right, would love. Okay, so if you can get this product, you should look at how you can sell it this season. Okay, now the other product that I have here, let's see, the knitted hat. Okay, so we are moving into the Harmattan season, a lot of dust. Okay, so something that will help people to cover their nostrils, but still it's still fashionable. All right, it's something that especially women would love. Something like this looks cool. So if you can get a product like this for women, trust me, you're going to make a lot of sales selling it. Okay, so let's move on, and this should be the last product for this video, and that's the twinkling light. Okay, this is also a decor. We are in the festive period, people buying Christmas trees, and a product like this is something that will also help make their house, right, to stand out. They can have it in their rooms, or even their sitting rooms, all right, or their bedrooms, wherever they want it. But this is a good product to sell this in this holiday season. So these are 7 products that you should look into. Yeah, you cannot sell all 7, right? So you have to decide on one and see how you can capitalize on this season and make a lot of sales for yourself. Okay, you want to sell something that, one, it triggers people's emotion. People are in the buying phase right now because we are moving into a time whereby their ego needs to be caressed, they need to protect their loved ones. A lot of emotional things are going on or goes on during this season, so you want to take advantage of this season. Okay, now you can easily launch this product inside of Lazycom. If you have a Lazycom account, just go ahead, log in, pick up any of the templates that we have in there, and have these things launched. You can have them launched within 24 to 48 hours, all right, because these templates are already designed for you right inside of Lazycom, and all you just have to do is pick and edit and launch your products. And of course, don't forget to set up your marketing automations, your emails, your SMS, all right, to help you to follow up on your visitors, your site visitors, to convert them into sale. All right, so I hope this helps someone. Don't just watch this video and say, oh, this looks good, and this is something you should take advantage of. So go ahead, take advantage of this, and I wish you all the best in your journey. And also, don't forget to subscribe, and you get notified anytime I put out videos such as this. You got to be the first person to learn about these things, so make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Take care.